Right, two more equations. Here we have x's here and x's here. We need all the x's on the same side. The sensible thing to do here is notice we've got a plus x here and a minus of a third x here. So we'll want all the x's on this side now, because then we get everything in positive x's, which is easier. So I'm going to move this minus third x over there. So all the x's are on one side and all the numbers are on the other. So the plus 3 is going to move over and change sign. So we get on this side, start with that, x plus x over 3. Minus x over 3 becomes plus when we move it to the other side. The 4 on this side now has to get 3 taken away from it. The 3 moves over and becomes minus 3. X plus x over 3, that's the same as 4/3 of x. This is the same as 3/3 of x. We can't do anything with fractions if we don't have them in the same form. X can be written as 3/3 x. 3/3 of x plus a third of x will give us 4/3 of x. Adding fractions, if we have 3x over 3 plus x over 3, we have the same denominator, always. 3x plus x is 4x. So that's why. So you'd have this as 4/3 x. 4 minus 3 is 1. So we get that 1 is 4 over 3x. What we need to do now is rearrange that one so that we get one lot of x. So we know that 1 is 4 over 3x. To get rid of the 3 down here, we multiply both sides by 3. That cancels. And we divide both sides by 4. Because that one cancels. This gives us x by itself then. So we get x equals 3/4. So what you're doing here when you've got multiply and dividing is actually you're getting, if you have 4 over 3x here, you're going to just swip those over on the other side because a multiply here becomes a divide on the other side and a divide here becomes a multiply on the other side. So you actually just switch those two over, you get x is 3/4. So that's the answer to this one, and I should have used more space so that we got that one down there. So x is 3/4. The next one, again, we've got fractions. Let's move our 2x over here, because here I have 4x. So I want to make the 4x minus 2x, keep all my positive x's on one side. Move this 2x over to the other side, it becomes minus 2x. Here I have plus 1/4, that stays the same. Minus 3/4 going over to the other side becomes plus 3/4. This is nice and easy now, because 1/4 plus 3/4 is 1. And 4x minus 2x is 2x. So we know that 1 is 2x, so x is 1 divided by 2, 1/2. Here we had 2x, we divide both sides of the equation by 2 to get rid of the number in front of the x, giving us that x equals 1/2. Okay? So that's those two.